everyone, this is Kanitha Shivakumar from Delhi Public School, Kalanga. So I wanted to tell you people about how I had never envisioned working with students from different schools, moreover different cities, but student outreach community gave me this opportunity. So it had all started when Ajay sir came to our school and introduced this community, and I was so intrigued that I joined this community, and eventually I got this golden opportunity to be a student ambassador here, and I right away jumped in. So recently there was this online event conducted by Student Outreach, and as ambassadors we had to organize the event. So basically there are 5 student clubs, and I am leading the entrepreneurship club along with my co-ambassador, and she's from Kolkata. So I got to interact with new like-minded people, and I have learned so much from them. And being in different cities, we could conduct a successful virtual event, and this is all because of teamwork. So yeah, I encourage more and more students to become a part of the student outreach community and build a profile beyond just academics and develop skills necessary for self-development and development in general. Thank you. Special thanks to Ajay sir and Manoj sir for building such a community. Thank you.